kardom pini berta arjikta pini berta thanmang phi nilika jirong hangpi aprang si berta ang tonpen sipajer midam de aprang berta ang kungpi arjikta
West Karbi Anglong KSA Hamran Regional Committee Pen George Timungapan Kangthong Karne Surupathar constituency no pakterang arong ahawar dolong kaheno airpen kachaleng gisung West Karbi Anglong prilo arong along don piahem ingnam angna ki freedom
Bertang kungpi arjik dere piputhot bertang tonpen sipajer midam sinang West Karbi Anglong along KSA Hamran aro atum George Timungapan Karcho
ni phai trok dong kamukam KSA HRC Maipu Probin Timung Kongchung Bang Babul Tokpi Lapen Ari Sangwa Tumpen Kangchom Karne Asai Tengpon si Alangli George Timungapan Hamran Regional Committee HRC Asai Malong an Anarlo Propai Kraisira Achutima Pormalon Alangli Pan Pohopen Karchupon Asai Tengpon Lake Arpu Kimi KSA Inglongpo Central Committee along George Timung Organizing Secretary Arpu Kedeng Pon Lapen Pini Labangso Amayalong Nang Kachetong Dun Karon Hanse Deputy Secretary KSA CEC Raju Ingti Organizing Secretary KSA CEC Dipo Regional Committee Lotiswar Taro Assistant Deputy Secretary KSA CEC Alang Litum Sikame Nang Chetong Dun
Region to other parts to ami hotayo last to thako hitu ki hol karone eneka hoise amio bhul amaro bhul ase ami as activist amio amaro bhul ase gotike moi kobo bisarisu je Juat, tamne gone is gone. Gone is gone. As they are saying, tamne je kuwa se je it's better late than never. Itu kotha se hitu karne from today we have taken a decision that soon we will be visiting different parts of West Karbi Anglong and we'll be checking out their employees. I mean the teachers whether they are doing their duty well or not. And at the same time.
Tong Kamukampen Samuel Timung Chirap Chitudumpen Berta Pangdapon Ikan Toteran News 24 Karbi Anglong
Prilo arong along don plia hem habit ang nor kipri
West Karbi Anglong District Hironi Forest Range ang kangalo non puan ta ingnam ang na rong arlo katung pradang ington telang mentune ke monit aphan ka tengkheng mantune ke hemret kipri lapen mentune ke rit katiki sok han nok lahai hui ke panahok pi lapuson sit hekpon long Sonsit patowele thota John Ticket se ingnam angnar aho to dampaksi prilo arong amikar babudera katera seng ingti lapen babuteron atok ahem freedom si hemar lokedo sok sang hormu horter haihui panahok pi lapen hiti along sok chiri lapen sok ke etang ajo untik panahok pi hadak kisung ke phowek abang phuatum herang ke phanang kachithandon atengke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kiram nang pajer nang diputa towar tolang athenon barlapor kisung thektik apora hot hemrit kona atangka pen si chikim thek pomaputa pherang get thingnon nang chathandon berta kirip tunlong ahut ante ingnam raikom saikiatum adimaklong an pumridam Hironi pen camera person Sir Imrong Par Chirap Chitudun pen Berta Pangdakpon Sir Honing T News 24 Karbi Anglong
Nopak terang arong along adelong kaheno ajok rat kisung
Kela khain korahini Surupathar constituency ang kang Balipathar nopak terang arong ahawar aradatum towar kacheleng kisung kiman mate kisung kachitong pon along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asai lembang photomapan ekpon long lededma mate Surupathar constituency ahawar apartment fund tong kameded maputa nopak terang arong aradatum pen pharangki kaumri ponahon bertanang pidon Lasinon kirang di aporahon kumbar ati matumpen si nopak terang arong ahawar aradatum kisung pen pajokpon hekimap mati kacing tur awar say kumat aham pangasong mati kopi arat cari asong atumpen si kacing tur awar say nang kipi ponjiman lasopor nilitum nopak terang ahawar aradatum chong hong pon popusi SGP terang asangwa ihin pentame lamthe nang pidon Balipathar pen Berta Pangdakpon Jokno Singh Bay News 24 Karbi Anglong
Pinia berta lansikang kaningla dome thangme kardom